Good morning. So today marks the first day of big renovations in terms of stripping the wallpaper and demolishing some of the built-in wardrobes. We're very lucky. We've got some very good friends who are going to loan us some equipment and a hand. I've got the girls are here with me as well. So all hands on deck today. I think our friends are going to take the dogs out for a walk and help strip some wallpaper and things. So yeah, that's where we're up to. So apologies if everything's a little bit out of kilter and out of chronological order, should we say, when it comes to uploading things, but we're new to videos, we're new to vlogging, and we're fairly new to renovations. So yeah, fingers crossed today goes to a success and we shall enjoy filming it.
Wow, that was interesting, but it's all out. Not too much damage to the walls, which is good. All good. Just need to get rid of all these polystyrene tiles that they decided to glue to the wall, which will be a bugger. But yeah, just wallpaper to remove now, and then yeah, happy days.
Don't want to jinx it, but the backing paper's coming off with the wallpaper on the ceiling, which is going to be the worst job, I think. So this is a good sign. Fingers crossed. So today we had the skip delivery. Ben's now off work too, so we've got both of us are here. Our skip has arrived, so we can fill that with as much rubbish as we can possibly lay our hands on. Yeah, so we've got all the wardrobes can go in that I took out yesterday. There's bits in the garden that can go in, plant pots, God knows what else. So yeah, and then we need to start sanding where we've taken the wallpaper off because the paint started to flake away. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We have found as well, when I've stripped the wallpaper off the ceiling in one of the bedrooms, that there is a big damp patch, so we are worried that the chimney is leaking or the flashing around the chimney, so we need to investigate that a bit further. So we'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, that's today's plan. So it's the end of the first day with the skip and it's full to the top already. So I have a feeling we may need a few more skips.
because this is only a small portion of what's left to go. Yeah, definitely underestimated that one.
So we are heading back down to the house again today. We have friends helping too. Feeling a little bit worse for wear today because we had a bit of a party to say goodbye to the old house. Big bonfire, lots of wine, the usual. So yeah, a bit delicate today. But yeah, plan is to try and get some sort of base coat of paint on the walls and just make the house a little bit more habitable because we are going to have to be in it very soon. So that's the plan for today. So we just arrived at the house.
Guess who hasn't got any keys?
Yeah, that's day 2 now that I've got down here and forgotten to pick the keys up. So
Let's go back.
Let's go back and see how we manage today. Definitely still a bit under the weather, should we say, from the drink, because clearly my brain is not functioning properly. Yeah, we might eventually get into the house today. We'll see. After a long week of lugging heavy boxes, moving house, starting on the new place, stripping the wallpaper and sorting out plastering issues and things, we've decided that today is a day of rest because we're very tired and we don't want to overdo it. So we're going to go and enjoy a lovely dog walk along the canal and go for some lunch with some friends and just have a nice little relax. I haven't taken much care of myself as I look horrendously dishevelled, so gonna go try and fix this. Yeah, I'm gonna try one of the fancy TikTok transitions, so let's see if this works. Let's go get some food. Excuse the pyjamas, but we have now, it would seem, achieved a functional bedroom. So walls have been filled and whitewashed, everything is clean and smells good. So this is going to be our at home for a while. I think at least it's one room that we can come to and just have a little chill out and a relax and a good night's sleep, because we only have tomorrow before we're back to work on Friday. So yeah, bedtime.